So for the past few days, I have been going live every day, building this app in public. The idea is simple. You can scan packaged food and it tells you if it is actually good for your health. Like based on your body, your goals, all of that. It is very personalized. It's working and we just need to improve this right now. And we need to make it more precise. At least that's what it is supposed to do. Today I tried to integrate the API for the scanner. The scanner wasn't responding, API was failing. Like sometime it would run, then crash. And sometime it wouldn't even start. Take all the data and when you will scan the food. I kept refreshing, retrying, checking logs. It's still the same thing. Then I started trying different things. Switched multiple APIs. Looked for free options. Tried to understand the documentation. Copied keys. Changed configs. At one point I was just doing random things hoping something will work. But nothing worked. But honestly, the code wasn't even the worst part. People were joining the stream and leaving within seconds. Like literally seconds. And I could see it happening live. And I kept asking, why are people just skipping this? Is it boring? Because in my head I thought this was interesting. Like I am building something live, but clearly people didn't care. Something was going in my head. At that point, I stopped thinking about the app. I started thinking about everything else. Like, what am I even doing wrong here? Like, is it the way I am talking? Is it the content? Or is this just not interesting at all? And that hits you differently when it's happening live. Then I started thinking about other creators, especially creators outside from India. They don't just sit and do one thing. They make things happen. They create moments. They do stuff that people actually want to watch. And I am here just coding, expecting people to stay. That's when it hit me. People don't care that I am coding. They care about what's happening. There has to be something going on. Some story, some tension, something real. Or anything from which they can relate. And yeah, if I am being honest, the app still didn't work. The API was already failing, the scanner didn't work, everything just broke. After hours of trying. But I think this is the part no one talks about. When things don't work, when nothing makes sense, and you still have to figure it out. You don't start with clarity. You get clarity by going through this. So yeah, tomorrow I am going to try a different approach. Maybe a different way of building it. I don't know yet, but I will figure it out. Thanks for watching.